Brand new Ryker in, nothing on it, plain Jane, little dirty, about to get an overhaul. We're going to do exhaust, cold air intake, pedal commander, and some other stuff. Alright, so the question was, can you remove your intake without clamshelling your Can-Am Ryker and just, well, you want to put a cold air intake, but you don't want to do a clamshell. Technically, yes you can, and I'm going to show you right now. So here we go. This bike has not been clamshelled, and here is the intake box. Like that. So what I did was I unloosened, well, let me come over here. I'll start with here. There's the bolts, one bolt that holds the air intake box on this side, and then when you go around over there, you have the clamps that hold the hose. So basically what you're doing is you're loosening up all the clamps, loosening the bolt. In here there's a top bolt when you remove the front, and then you just want to pull, and it'll pull right out to the other side, and here you go, totally removed, no problem. Actually, there's the boot. So now it's all about just putting the cold air intake in, which is easy. There's tons of videos on how to do that. And then we're going to start with the exhaust. Alright, so the cold air intake is installed. Like I said, an installation without having to clamshell the bike. Now we're going to remove the end links down here with a 10mm. And then we're gonna replace those, do an RLS exhaust, which I don't know why, because he has the premium exhaust on here, but it's what the customer wants, it's what the customer gets. Alright, if you get the end links with this little spaces on it, it's going to be impossible to line up. So what I do is a little contact cement, and I make sure that I connect that little spacer onto that, and then line it up to screw it in. If not, they're going to keep moving and falling on you every time you try to put the screw through. Just a little tech tip. Alright, let's do the pedal commander. It's going to install right in there. Just going to pull the clip, drop the new one in. Easy 1, 2, 3. I have videos, hundreds of videos explaining on how to do this, so I'm just gonna swap it out real quick. Okay, it's running now. This came in as a plain Can-Am Ryker. We just added the cold air intake from RLS. We added some end links down there. Pedal commander, I'll show you right now. It's loud exhaust, might be canceling out the noise. Pedal commander, and we did a twin chaos exhaust from RLS. We just did a twin chaos exhaust from RLS. And that's it. Customer's ready to go. Yeah, I remember them days. Mine's was Dora. So what you think?
I look good. I was like, oh, the sound. I'll be hyping the sound.
Start it up, bro. Start it up. Damn. Well, you know the deal. If you want your Ryker hooked up, customized, come see the Ryker doctor, and everybody rides